The building is approximately 40 years old, and through the years we've had a lot of leakages that have caused major insurance claims.
About a year and a half ago, it became very apparent to the association, the board of directors specifically, that replacement of the pipe project was necessary.
A lot of the owners were wondering why we had to do the project in the first place. But then when they saw the number of incidents was almost weekly, they began to understand.
Replacing your pipes is a very, very expensive project. It's probably one of the most expensive projects that most associations will do. Quality was important, service was important, follow through was important. And so those really were the things that we were looking for. So of the 3 projects that I have done with SageWater, they've been small, medium, and large. I would categorize the Piikoi Atrium as a small, medium building. When I present to a board or to the association, I bring you all the options, from the highest to the lowest. I tell you, go with the best guy and you're happy for the next 50 years. That's what we want.
We had to look at who could come in, do the job quickly, minimizing the impact to the residents. And we liked the schedule that SageWater had. They set up everything from start to finish. They even used a rec area for their operations. They even had someone come in after they're through every day, wiping up the dust, sweeping, vacuuming. So even though it's not finished, it was still livable.
When SageWater is on site, I get a break because I know for a fact that everything is gonna go exactly how it was planned for the day, for the week, for the month. And if there is a change to it, I get a phone call, I get a text. And if I get no text, that means everything's great. We don't want people to think about their pipes. That's the last thing that they want to think about is, is my water going down to the bottom like it's supposed to? People shouldn't have to worry about that. SageWater gives you that confidence and you can worry about things that are more important to you, family, enjoying life.